Have you ever wondered what makes millionaires different from the rest of us? Is it luck, opportunity, or something else? The truth is, most of us have been taught that wealth is just a matter of luck or being in the right place at the right time. But what if I told you that's only half the story? Today, we're going to explore 7 habits of millionaires that most people learn too late. These habits have helped wealthy people build and maintain their wealth. If you're serious about success, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on more wealth-building tips. Now, let's dive right in. Habit number 1, bias towards action. Success isn't about waiting for the perfect plan, it's about taking imperfect action and adjusting along the way. Too many people overthink, paralyzed by the fear of failure. But the truth is, inaction is the biggest waste of time and resources. Successful people don't wait for certainty, they create it by moving forward. Think about Elon Musk. He didn't wait until Tesla's technology was flawless before launching. He took action, faced setbacks, learned from failures, and kept iterating. If he had waited for perfection, Tesla might not exist today. The same applies to you. If you want to succeed, stop overanalyzing and start executing. Habit number 2, treat time like gold. Your time is your most valuable, non-renewable resource. Millionaires understand this and delegate tasks that don't require their expertise. Too many entrepreneurs hold on to every little task, thinking no one can do it better. This limits growth and ultimately hinders your ability to scale. Take Richard Branson. He built the Virgin Empire by hiring experts to handle what he couldn't. He understood that success isn't about doing everything yourself but about building the right team. The most successful people focus their energy on high-impact tasks, the ones that generate revenue, create opportunities, and drive strategic decisions. Imagine you're running a business and spending hours responding to emails or handling administrative work instead of closing deals or developing your product. The result? You stagnate while others who prioritize effectively surge ahead. Instead of spending time on low-value tasks, identify your unique strengths and delegate everything else. This simple shift in mindset can skyrocket your productivity and income. Habit number 3, talk to strangers. We've been told since childhood, don't talk to strangers. But that's the opposite of what successful people do. Networking and relationship building are critical for wealth creation, opening doors you never even knew existed. Whether it's in business, investments, or career growth, your net worth is often linked to your network. Take Howard Schultz, the visionary behind Starbucks. He started as a salesman for a coffee equipment company. One day, he struck up a conversation with a small coffee shop owner, learning about their unique brewing techniques. This seemingly casual discussion ignited a passion in him, eventually leading to the Starbucks empire we know today. Never underestimate the power of a random conversation, it could change your life. A simple introduction, a coffee chat, or an insightful question can lead to opportunities beyond your imagination. The more people you engage with, the more chances you create for success. Habit number 4, be a forever student. Wealthy people never stop learning. They read books, take courses, seek mentorship, and actively engage in self-improvement. The more you learn, the more you realize how much you don't know, which opens the door to even greater growth. Consider Warren Buffett. He spends 80% of his day reading. He attributes much of his success to continuous learning and reflection. But it's not just about passive consumption. Buffett applies his knowledge by making informed decisions, refining his strategies, and staying ahead of the curve. If you want to be successful, prioritize learning, challenge your assumptions, and commit to lifelong growth. Habit number 5, ask better questions. Most people focus on finding the right answers, but millionaires focus on asking the right questions. A good question can change the entire course of your business or career. Instead of simply solving problems, millionaires dig deeper to uncover the root causes and new possibilities. Imagine a struggling entrepreneur who asks, how can I sell more? Instead, if they asked, how can I add more value? They might discover a new market opportunity that 10x's their profits. For instance, Henry Ford didn't ask, how can I make a faster horse? He asked, how can I revolutionize transportation? This shift in perspective led to the mass production of automobiles, changing the world forever. Asking the right questions forces you to challenge assumptions, look beyond immediate obstacles, and uncover opportunities others overlook. It transforms you from a reactive problem solver into a visionary leader. Habit number 6, feedback is a gift. Most people fear criticism, but the wealthy seek feedback proactively. They understand that growth comes from constructive critique, not blind praise. Seeking feedback isn't about looking for approval, it's about identifying blind spots and making meaningful improvements. Take Steve Jobs, he was infamous for pushing his team to give and receive brutal feedback. This approach led to revolutionary products like the iPhone and MacBook. Jobs understood that innovation thrives on honest critique rather than sugar-coated compliments. If you embrace feedback instead of avoiding it, your skills in business will improve exponentially. Ask for criticism, analyze it objectively, and use it as a tool for continuous growth. The sooner you adopt this mindset, the faster you'll achieve success. Habit number 7, embrace messy innovation. Innovation isn't clean and efficient, it's messy and wasteful. But millionaires understand that failing fast and iterating leads to breakthroughs. Instead of fearing mistakes, they view failure as a stepping stone to success. Every failure is a data point that refines the next attempt. Look at Jeff Bezos. Amazon didn't become the giant it is today without facing setbacks. The company launched multiple failed projects, including the Fire Phone and Amazon auctions, but each failure provided critical insights that fueled future innovations. Had he given up after the first setback, his company wouldn't exist today. Rather than fearing failure, embrace it as part of the process. Understand that each setback is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and improve. The road to success is never linear, it's paved with trial, error, and persistence. Success isn't about luck, it's about habits and mindset. These 7 habits have shaped the lives of the world's wealthiest individuals, and they can do the same for you if you take action today. If you found value in this, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Watch to Get Rich. Let's build wealth together. See you in the next one.